Abu Dhabi stock market is very strong and bullish. Stalkers, welcome back to the channel. If you are following my analysis regularly, I had mentioned 10,500 should be the next target for ADX, and market is slowly moving towards that zone. Last closing is also very positive, but for now, let's have a bigger picture of the market, that is on weekly time frame. No doubt bulls are very active. Market have crossed the previous resistance right here. It tried twice previously. This was the first attempt. Here is the second attempt, and then market broke this resistance of 10,250 that I have been talking about in my previous analysis. At the same time, we have to take a note that market started this rally from around 10,730 area, and now it's been stretched, so we can expect a correction which will be healthy for the market. So any dip from here should not be considered bearish, but this will be very positive for the market in order to make a new high. Overall, ADX index is very bullish, and we will see upside momentum coming week. For now, let's check out some bullish stocks. Heavy weighted stock IHC is now ready to go higher. Previously, I have been mentioning 360 was resistance. Whenever market was trying to cross, it was getting rejected. But we never saw a deeper correction. It was just hanging around the resistance zone. And then finally, we saw breakout of this area. Our target of 400 is already achieved. In case if you are still holding this stock or if you have entered somewhere around here, your next target should be 415. Overall, this stock is super bullish. Then I have Burjeel Holdings. Guys, before I proceed with this video, just a small request. If my videos are helping, do not forget to subscribe and smash that like button for me. Last closing of Burjeel is at 2.44. Previously, we know 2.35 was resistance. Market was trying to cross, it was getting rejected. Right after the close above this zone, I had recommended this stock. However, it came down for a correction, but stop loss still intact. And on the fourth day, again we saw bulls were active. It crossed this resistance again easily. I took this trade as well, and I made profits on this one. Resistance is at 2.50. It hit 2.58, and from here we are seeing correction. Finally, again looking at this bullish candles, in tomorrow's session, if it opens with a gap up, most likely this is ready to go higher from here. In case if you are still holding it, more upside momentum is coming. Next is Invictus. It was very bullish, but it could not survive the resistance, and from here straight away we are seeing rally to the downside. However, it have now rounded off, meaning we are seeing some consolidation right at the bottom area, that is 3.50. It hit 3.90, and from here it's correcting itself. However, most likely correction is over. Last candle is bit indecisive, but most likely if it opens with a gap up, first resistance is 3.80. Once this is taken out or we see a closing above 3.80, then slowly and steadily we can expect it to go and touch 4.05. This should be your final target. Please keep in mind this stock is very volatile. It makes big moves suddenly. So you never know, after it crosses resistance, it can straight away hit 4.05. Abu Dhabi ports is at good level. Previously we saw it open with a gap up. However, it could not sustain the gains and straight away came down. Now we know previously this zone was resistance, market was trying to cross, it got rejected and straight to 5.30. And from here it's been climbing, it tried for the second time. Again it could not cross the resistance, but this time the correction was not deeper. We can hardly see 20% correction of this rally to the upside. As I keep mentioning, if a particular zone or area is tested again and again in short period of time, it becomes weaker. Finally, this resistance was taken out, and now potentially the same resistance zone should act as a support. Yes, we are seeing a small red candle and small wick at the bottom, indicating some buying pressure is here. So there are good chances this support zone will hold and then it can move higher from here. M Steel or Arkan, we are seeing similar kind of price action as I just explained in IHC. 1.35 was resistance, market was trying to cross again and again, but it was getting rejected. But we were not seeing any deeper correction or stock was not going down. It was just hanging around this resistance zone. Finally, we saw this breakout. I took this trade and I had shared it as well. We saw big momentum to the upside. Last candle is not very positive. I would try to buy this again if I see a support establishing here in this area, that is 1.65. So this stock should be in your stocking list. A correction is expected, but any dip from now is buying opportunity. I'm still bullish on Q holding. After the breakout of this bullish chart pattern right here, you can see the upper trend line was resistance, the lower trend line was support, and this was the place where I had recommended Q holding. We saw huge momentum to the upside. If you have entered at lower levels, definitely you are in profits, and if you are still holding it, I'm seeing more upside momentum coming soon. Next target should be around 4.50. In case if it is coming down for a retest, first support is at 4.10 and then 4.00. But overall, this stock is now very bullish. Once it touches and crosses 4.50, we will wait for another bullish price action and decide our next target. So I guess I have covered enough of stocks for coming week. Do not forget to hit the like button and support this channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.